How to edit PDF file in laptop. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you ever found yourself struggling to edit a PDF file without breaking the bank on expensive software, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to edit PDF file for free on your laptop using two simple methods. So let's dive right in. Our first method using Microsoft Word. It's super easy. Here's how you do it. Open Microsoft Word on your laptop, click on open and then simply find the PDF file that you want to edit and open it. Just like that, you can start editing your PDF file as if it were a Word document. You need to click on Enable Editing options located at the top of your file and you can start editing your PDF file without any issues. Now let's move on to our next step, which involves converting the PDF into a Word document. This is where Google comes in handy. Open your web browser and then type Convert PDF to Word or simply type I love PDF. Then click on the first option that appears in the search result. Here you can upload your PDF file and then click on Convert to Word. Once the conversion is complete, download the new Word document. Now you can edit it just like any other Word file. After making your changes, remember to save it as a PDF or Word file depending on your needs. And there you have it, two powerful methods to edit PDF files for free on your laptop. I hope this tips makes your PDF editing easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome contents, and I'll see you in the next video.